Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you have not been here before, my name is Shay San Juan. I do reviews, unboxings, makeup tutorials, and I say a lot of bad words. And if you've been here before, welcome home. Today is the day I run to my mailbox and bring you guys my Bootay bag. For one thing, sharing is caring, but it is my favorite subscription bag ever. If you don't know what Bootay Bag is, then you are missing out on the life of the party! It's a monthly panty subscription bag. You can do one pair a month for $7 or two pairs for $12. And you can also choose between never thongs, or like to call them cheeky ones. You can also mix it up and have a surprise every month, or you can pick thongs. You can pick anything you want, because no matter what happens, you're not gonna wear your grandma's panties, because if you did, that's kind of weird. I'm not gonna judge you, but really, you gotta admit that's really weird. You can also change up your size every month. I have been known to range anywhere from extra small to large sometimes, but you know, that's just how my body rolls. Don't say body rolls. But with Bootay Bag, I have the freedom to choose whatever I want, when I want to. And not only that, you can add a matching bralette for 14 bucks. Like, come on, how cool is that? You can also subscribe for a gift. You can give a friend a gift of chonies, because choni loves chachi. So ditch those sew ends, and I will link Bootay Bag down below. So what am I waiting for? Let's open. Dun, 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 dun. Am I gonna struggle? We're getting there! Never fails, you guys, never. Ooh, there's a pop socket in here. Just to let you guys know, this is not sponsored. I just love panties. Ooh, and there's a sticker and it says, "Come get naked with Bootay Bag." Hey! Thanks for the invite. When you take your bag out, every bag comes in this little baggie here that says, "Hello babe, I'm here, XO Bootay Bag." And we will open this up. Oh, okay, hood nails. Oh, I love this color! Yes, it's minty. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, it's like a vintage mint. I love the color. The front is very lacy, as well as the back, but the back is more sheer than the front, because you know I like my cheekies to be cheeky, but the front is a little more opaque. This is a size large, by the way. I know you guys asked me what size I wear. I wear a large, sometimes I wear medium, but I believe for the past 2 or 3 videos, I've been wearing large. The next one is so beautiful, and I've been really into lilac lately. I think because the color of the year is purple, it's like ultraviolet, so now that it's spring, lilac seems to be more of like the spring version of ultraviolet, so look at the color. And I love this style because the seams are seamless. Like, look at that. There's no stitching. So when you wear this under pants, it doesn't bunch up and look funky. This is the back. So it's cheeky, but it's not thongy. This is the front. It's seamless all the way around to the front right here. There's, of course, light stitching in the areas you need it. But besides that, it's so soft and comfy and just fits the body, like hugs the body, nice but not too tight. It's like, I know you there. I got you, boo. And I'm like, thank you, Bootay Bag. I love you. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy my reviews as much as I enjoy reviewing for you. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all my videos as I post them. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Hope you all have a beautiful day, and toodles.